if you run ads on Facebook, from time to time you'll receive email from Facebook marketing experts asking you to, hey, I know you've been running ads on Facebook for a while. We would like to arrange a one-on-one session with you to actually help you understand your campaign performance and to give you some suggestions. Now, most of the time, they are legit. Like in the last week AMA session, we actually received a comment from one Facebook marketing expert, and he said that, hey, they are legit. In fact, they are legit. I've been talking to these Facebook marketing experts or Facebook marketing concierge services and all this kind of thing for many years now. But just that really recently, some people are actually using it as a bait, as a scam kind of thing. So you got to be very careful. So when you receive a link and email from them, if you go through the proper channel to arrange and whatever discussion with them, everything wouldn't be shady. You can actually feel that, all right? So as long as you receive all the emails and everything coming really from Facebook itself, right, it's fine. So just make sure that. But, Jay was actually asking, you're excited to receive a Facebook email. You wanted to discuss another business. You badly needed help. The call didn't happen. Okay, that is the challenge, because when they arrange a call for this ads account, it's solely for this ad account, because the Facebook marketing expert may not have access to your other ad account. But I think to a certain extent, you can still ask your question. So what I would suggest is this: even though you don't have problem with this ad account A and you need help for ad account B, you still arrange the call. And when you're in the call, you can ask them questions, okay, and see whether they are able to go through the other one. Just arrange the call first, and you do whatever you want. When they're on the call with you, you'll be like, you're on the call with me. Let's take a look at some other accounts, shall we? I do not guarantee that they can or 100% they can't, but at least we try, right? Don't let go any opportunity that you might learn something. Like I always say, the Facebook marketing expert are trained in certain way, but they need to really understand what you are looking for. So give them more information would really help them understand your problem and to give you some solutions around that. Recently, I have a very good experience. One of my coaches actually was guided by the Facebook marketing expert on some tweak. It worked really well. So trust them. They're fine. They're good people anyway.